Exploratory data analysis, EDA, is like being a detective in the world of data science. Imagine you're hosting a grand dinner for royal guests, and you need to create a special menu. However, there's a twist: you're working from a massive cookbook with thousands of recipes. Some of these recipes are incorrect or incomplete. How do you tackle this challenge? Let's break it down. What is EDA? EDA is the process where data scientists roll up their sleeves and dive into datasets. The goal? Uncover hidden patterns, identify problems, and gain insights. Think of it as peeling back the layers of an onion, revealing what's beneath the surface. The detective work, step by step. Start with one variable at a time and gradually explore more. Ask questions like: what data do we have? How many dimensions does our data have? Are there any dependent variables? What types of data are we dealing with? Is there missing or duplicate data? Are there correlations between variables? Tools and techniques for EDA. Pandas/Python and R are popular tools. Visualization techniques include box plots, show distribution and outliers; histograms, display frequency distributions; heat maps, visualize relationships between variables; scatter plots, explore correlations; dimensionality reduction, PCA, simplify high-dimensional data. Real-life example, food recipes. Let's take a practical example using a dataset of food recipes. We'll ask questions like: what ingredients do we have? How many recipes are there? Are there any patterns related to meal types? Is there missing data? Are certain ingredients correlated? You can even play with this example notebook on GitHub or Google Colab without installing Python. Fork and knife with plate magnifying glass tilted left. Remember, EDA sets the stage for deeper analyses and helps us make informed decisions. Happy data sleuthing!